and choose different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and